All right, let's talk about how to move pictures from your memory stick onto your computer. So I've already put the memory stick in the drive, and so that's why it's showing on my left side here, USB file. But before I go there, actually let's show you how to get to that USB drive. How do I get to this area? So I'm going to close this. Microsoft Windows 10. I'm going to go to the Start menu at the bottom. And I'm going to talk about this menu in three parts. You have the quick buttons here on the left, and as I hover over them, I see I see the words beside them, but otherwise they're just little icons, right? Here's the alphabetical menu where I can see all the programs alphabetically that I have. And then I have tiles. This area here is customizable, meaning that you can customize it to show whatever shortcuts that you want for whatever programs you go into most often. So where you find your files, if you're trying to save pictures onto your new computer in Windows 10, then the easiest place to go is when you hit that little Windows menu, you should see this little file folder, which is your File Explorer. So we're going to click on that. Once we click on that, we see all of our files. Now, mine's going to look a lot different than yours, so let's just look at where it says This PC. That's what you want to pay attention to. That's your computer. What are the folders you have for your computer? So from This PC, I can choose Pictures below here, or I can choose Pictures on the left side here. And that's where the pictures are stored on my PC. Now, if you have a memory stick and you're trying to move pictures onto this computer that you have for Windows 10, you're going to need to go to your memory stick first, and then you're going to need to copy from there and paste into here. So I'm going to go back. On the left side of my screen, I want you to see that it says USB drive, so that's what my memory stick is referred to as. Yours may be a different word there. You have to pay attention to a drive letter. It usually has a drive letter that's, F or above. So I'm going to go USB drive, and I see I have three folders here: Aave Pictures, Birthdays, and Excel. That's not pictures. So I'm going to pick the Aave Pictures, and I'm going to choose Copy. And now on the left side, I can still see it says Pictures here, so I'm going to click on that. And then in the white space over here, just going to click once. Nothing really seems to happen. But then on my toolbar, I'm going to choose Paste. And Aave Pictures from that memory stick is now on my PC. Right? And where this shows up, by the way, is it's going to show up in your photos on Windows 10. So if I go to my Start menu and I go to Photos, this is where all those pictures are showing up. And they're kind of by date. Let's go the opposite direction now. Let's say I want to move a number of folders from my computer to a memory stick so I can put it on another computer. So what I would do is I'm still on my computer on the Pictures area. I'd click on the first folder, and then I'd hold the Shift key down, so Shift, and click on whatever folder I want to go up to. Now be careful because the memory stick's only so big. The area that I've selected is a lot. There's a lot of full pictures within that. It may not fit in on a memory stick. And as I hover, my mouse hovers on that area, it's actually telling me it's 3 gigs of data. So I know for certain this stuff will not fit on a memory stick I have. So let's unselect a couple. So what I could do with these 3 selected is I can choose Copy. And now I can go to my memory stick, the USB drive here, click over here somewhere, and then choose Paste. If it can't fit all those folders on this memory stick, it will let me know that it's run out of room. But there you go, they all fit. So now those are on the memory stick, and so now when I go to copy this to another computer, as soon as I put that memory stick in that other computer, I would select by clicking on one and hold the Shift key down on your keyboard and click on the last one. If they're not side by side like I'm showing you here, I just show you another option. Let's say, I don't know, how do I not get it side by side? Right now, these are all side by side. Let's say I want to select the 2000 and they want to select the Ave. I can click on one and hold the Control key down and click on the second one. And then choose copy. And then go to wherever I want to go to. So say pictures. And then click here and choose paste. All right, so hopefully that helps you see how to move your pictures from one computer to another using a memory stick. So just remember, I'm doing this very methodically. I'm using the copy button. There's more than one way of doing this. Someone might give you some advice on other ways, but if you use this way will work every single time. Other methods, other shortcuts don't always do what you expect every single time. So I'm picking this way for a certain reason. So hopefully this helps you. Have fun. Bye-bye.